So I ran into a problem where I wanted to color my prints. Wait till the end and I'll show you the multicolor printed Pokédex and then the one that I drew using these acrylic markers. I think you'll be surprised by the result. So I've been using multicolored prints for quite a few years now, and I feel like one of the biggest issues that I run into and things that I just hate is I waste so much filament. So I was kind of looking for a different way to pizzazz up my prints without having to use the multicolor printer all the time. And I started using Sharpie markers, but I just felt like they were super limited. They didn't quite do what I wanted to do. So then I moved on. I bought a really nice, I don't know, like 50 color paint acrylic set. I tried using this set to make some Christmas ornaments, and one of the issues I ran into is as you colored it on, it just didn't look very professional or high quality with the acrylic set, unless you did a bunch of priming and prep work for the prints. It just took so much time to use the acrylic set. So I kept looking around and I just kind of had this thought. I was like, man, I wish they just made a marker that was a paint marker. So you could just go, you could pop the cap and paint your thing and be done with it. So you didn't have to do a whole ton of like getting out the paint brushes and pouring the paint out. And sure enough, they have these acrylic markers. And what it is it's actual acrylic paint that they've watered down and put into the marker. So it's a little bit thinner. Now, this is where we get into the issue that I have with them. Because it's thinner, as you can see here, I'm having to do multiple coats just to get it to look even. This is probably my third time going over this Pokédex here, and I still think it looks kind of low quality. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and look for a nicer set. I'm hoping they just have a higher quality set, and I'm gonna try those in a video in the future. So subscribe so you can see that. Right here, I'm showing you the multicolor Pokédex versus the marker Pokédex. I think the marker one looks okay for what it is, but I'm gonna go and find a better, higher quality marker and do a new video on that in the future.